Welcome to the Lightbox 3 Collections tutorial. Today, we will be going through the following aspects of the Collections application. First, we'll be looking at accessing the Lightbox 3 Manager. Then, we'll be looking at adding content to Lightbox 3. Next, we'll be creating a Collections screen. And finally, we'll look at creating a menu. To access the Manager, hold the bottom left corner of the screen for 5 seconds. You will now see a series of on-screen options. Choose the Launch Manager option to access the CMS. You will need to enter a PIN number. This will be set as default to 874-100. However, the number can be changed in the settings. The first step in creating a collection screen is to upload the content we intend to use to create the screen. This will include the full range of multimedia you wish to showcase, as well as the background for your collection screen. You first need to head to the Library tab and drag and drop in your media. For this tutorial, we will be importing only our images of famous locations. Lightbox 3 now comes with a tagging system. This allows you to not only organize things further in the CMS, but also allows for new opportunities with your collection screen. With every image selected, click Manage Tags. Then, add your desired tags. I will now repeat the process with our animal images. Lastly, we'll import a PDF file. Now that we have uploaded content onto the Manager, we can make a start on our first collection screen. Within the Screens tab, you will need to press the plus icon and then select Collections. For this tutorial, we will also name the screen Animals. As you can see, our collection screen is split into 6 different sections: General, Media, Theme, Layout, Search, and Media Viewer. We will be going through each of these tabs, one at a time through this tutorial. Let's enter the Media tab. In a collection screen, there are 2 kinds of media that can be added: regular images, video and audio, and PDFs. We will import our PDF first. With PDFs, all pages within the PDF will be added to the collection, then displayed as individual slides. We can preview this in the General tab. PDFs can also be displayed as interactive ebooks with another Lightbox 3 app, Page Turn. For this screen, we will be adding video, image and audio. As you can see, these options near the top of the screen will filter your media in different ways. For more information on this, please watch the Lightbox 3 overview video. Using the tag filter, we can then select all of our images under the Animals tag and add them to our screen. From here, you can also rearrange how your content is displayed, either by manually dragging or through the provided options. We've covered many of the basics, and will now be delving into further customization. Much of your additional customization can be found in the Layout tab. The Layout tab allows you to adjust several aspects of your collection screen, including the size of the buttons. Use the Behavior panel to customize how your collection's media is displayed and interacted with. We also recommend enabling type icons, which give a visual indicator for both video and audio files. Enhance your screen by adding titles, description, and voiceover audio in the General tab. You can then change how this information is displayed in the Layout tab, in a panel on the left, or the right-hand side of the screen. or as a button, which shows a pop-up when pressed, and optionally when you enter the screen. Let's go into the Search tab and enable search. This will allow users to search the collection in order to find specific items, particularly useful for larger collections. Now, let's open the Media Viewer tab. This is where you can customize how your media is displayed when in full screen. You will notice you'll have a similar range of options as in the Layout tab, but with extra features. You can limit the amount of information to show, or you can enable and disable features, such as zooming and swiping between items. You can customize various elements, such as icons and backgrounds, in the Themes section. We recommend you experiment here, by setting your current screen in the preview and seeing what can be changed. Once you're done, open up your screen and enter the Theme tab, then Apply. A smart collection is a collection screen that dynamically populates its media based on the settings you specify. The General and Layout tabs will be the same as in the Collections screen. In the Content tab, we are going to be displaying images, video, and audio items. Smart Collection will automatically add all media of these types from your library. Here is where adding tags to media items really comes into its own, as we can now filter this media by the tags we have assigned. In this case, we are going to display media with the Animals tag. From now on, the Smart Collection will automatically update as we add and remove the Animals tag to items in our library. We can also add tags to screens and include them in the Smart Collection. Screens appear as snapshots, but we can customize this too. You can create multiple collection screens and access them via a menu if you wish. But for this tutorial, we'll set our single collection screen as our home screen, like so. Now you can view your collection screen in action by pressing the red launch button. Congratulations! You've now completed the collections tutorial. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to get in touch. For more information and tutorials, head to blackbox-av.co.uk/Lightbox. Thank you for watching.